So here's the deal. I initially said I wasn't going to get one. Said I wasn't going to get one. Said I wasn't going to get one. Got one. Alright guys, so we're going to make this quick because for the sake of this video, we're going to act like you guys have never seen an S10 Plus video. We're going to act like you've never seen an unboxing video, and we're just going to kind of go through this real quick. So, as you can see, I've already removed all the stickers and everything from the phone. This is the S10 Plus. Now let me give the screen a little wipe down real quick so we can make sure we get its full glory and full effect here. So, you got the 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, hole punch display at the top. You got the ceramic white background, or ceramic white back with the aluminum on the side, polished aluminum. I don't know if this is stainless steel, but I believe it's polished aluminum. This is a very heavy device, a lot heavier than a normal S10. Now, you got the power button all the way up here at the top. Seen some people complaining about that, but for me personally, it doesn't bother me because as you can see, the way the phone sits in my hand, power button goes right there, so it doesn't bother me. And the only time I have to adjust my hand is to sensor. But really and truly, you see how fast that was? Really and truly don't have to do too much. So that's the overall aesthetic of the device. Now you got your 3 cameras back here on the back. So you got your wide angle, super wide angle, telephoto, flash, heart rate monitor, sensor, and all that good stuff. Now, cutting the device on, you do get Face ID, which I have set up. You do get the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is down here in this area at the bottom. You can just tap the screen. Very much similar to the Huawei device. And you get the USB-C port, headphone jack, Bixby key, remappable now. And you get the volume rocker on the side. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the device. One UI, we'll talk about that later on. But for now, we'll put the device to the side. And let's take a look at what you get inside of the box. For those of you interested. Now, one thing about this device that I do not like this year that I noticed offhand is that Samsung has changed the way they're doing things with not necessarily the instruction manual, but for that sake, we'll pull this out. We'll take a look and see what you get in here. So you get your SIM ejection tool, you pop this open, and you get all your usual instruction manuals and stuff. So we'll put all that back away. So put all that back up. That all goes back up here into the top of the box. And you also get your AKG headphones tuned by AKG. You get your USB-C cord, and you get your fast charge power adapter. I believe this is still quick charge 2.0, but you get the adapter nonetheless. And you get your USB-C adapter for your file transfers and things of that nature. So I'm putting all that back in the box. That's pretty much what you get in the box. Nothing too complicated, nothing too crazy. Now let's take a look around the phone. So cutting the device on, you see we got that big screen, you know, goes from top to bottom. You can see just exactly what are you getting with it. Now you see you got the fingerprint scanner at the bottom, so you just tap it. You can either tap it and hold it or just tap it like I've done a couple of times in the video so far. So keeping in mind with One UI, everything is kind of made to be a little bit more easier to use with one hand. So I can tell you, when you hold this phone in your hand, it's not nearly the same size as the Galaxy Note, but it is a little bit bigger than the S10. But for me, it feels perfect. You know, it feels really good in the hand for those that care about that, but it does feel good to me. Now, offhand, I'm going to say one thing I don't like about One UI so far is I don't like the kind of cartoony look of the icons. They're just so big, and I definitely will be installing Nova Launcher on this to kind of make this feel a little bit more like my own. That's one of the beauties of Android. But, you know, I just kind of can't get over how big these icons look. But one thing about this device that I do find interesting is I do enjoy the fact that you get the wireless power share, which is, I don't have a device to do it with at the moment. I did order a pair of Galaxy Buds. They'll be here sometime in the next week or so. But what essentially you can do is you can put a phone or a wireless Qi charging compatible device on the back of this phone and charge it. So that's pretty dope. You know, you can power share and help somebody else get some battery and, you know, share the wealth and the juice with everybody. So taking a look on the back with the cameras, you have 3 different options now. You have a telephoto zoom, you have the standard wide angle, and you have the super wide angle. Now, as you can see, I have not moved at all. I'm still in the same position. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to grab my dude Thanos right here. I'm going to set him down right here, and I'm going to take a picture of him. I'm going to take one picture of him zoomed in. And you guys see my hands aren't moving. I'm going to take another picture with the regular wide angle. See my hands aren't moving. And I'm going to take the super wide angle. And my hands aren't moving. So now we're going to go back and take a look at these. And this is the standard. This is the telephoto zoom. So you can see what you're getting with that. That's the wide angle. That's the super wide angle. Now remember, my hands didn't move at all. And in case you're wondering, that is a MacBook Pro 13-inch with the Logitech speakers and the Dell 27-inch monitor. I'll do another video on that setup. So taking a look at how the phone looks in full display, you see that hole punch does kind of stand out a little bit, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I wasn't a fan of this online. I wasn't a fan of this on paper. Holding it and actually using it, you forget it's there. It's almost like your brain has trained itself to forget that it was there. I want to take a moment to show you guys some pictures here that I took in the store, or in the dentist office, I should say, today. And these are some pictures of my wife. So these are also some zoom shots here. Now this was the wide angle earlier today. So this was the wide angle. All these pictures shot in the same position. Wide angle, wide, zoom lens. And then I took some color pop photos. You can do a live focus where you can change the color effect. So it's my lovely wife right there. And I just love how it was able to find the colors, how the sun kind of reflected off of it and everything. And I just think this is a really dope picture, really dope like overall experience with the camera. I will say so far the camera is what's reining me in with this device, because I didn't expect to be having as much fun with it as I have been since I've gotten the device today. So let's take it to YouTube real quick. Let me pull up a YouTube video here and we will see, let you guys hear what these speakers sound like, because these speakers are pretty loud and they are pretty dope. So we'll go to my channel here, and I'm gonna find a video. Let me see, pull up a video here on the iPad Pro, and we'll cut the speakers up pretty loud here. Been gone for a minute, but I had a few things going on, but glad to be back up in it. And I'm starting back off the month of February with a follow-up on. Now we're just gonna zoom in a little bit here. But I mean, protection is protection at the end of the day, right? Look at how that looks in video mode. Set this up here for now to get it out of the way. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope to me. I really like how that looks. That hole punch display, you kind of lose track of it really quickly. So anyway, this is just my initial impressions of the device. So far, I like it. I had a couple of people contact me, personal friends and family, and ask me what was my opinion of the device and was I going to do a review on it. So, you know, I made a commitment to do this, so that's why I got it. But so far, I do enjoy it. I do like it. Now, I will say that in the event that we continue with the S10 Plus, AT&T does have a promotion going on right now. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just a promotion that, you know, if you're interested in getting one of these S10 Plus, S10, S10e, they have a promotion going on right now where you can buy one, get one free. So essentially, we have this S10 Plus that we got on our account between me and my wife. And this is actually her S10 Plus, because I got the ceramic black version for myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this one out real quick. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like side by side. So you can kind of see here. And tell you what, I'm going to take all these stickers off of so you guys can see the full scope of the device without any of these stickers protruding or in the way. And this is what it looks like side by side. Now let me give it one more wipe down, as they say. Wipe it off real quick. And so you have the ceramic white and the ceramic black. Now ceramic black looks like a doggone mirror, but this is a nice looking device. So ceramic white, ceramic black, both 512. Those out there who, you know, are curious about why 512, why not 128, or why not 256 with the S10e, we record a lot of videos and we take a lot of pictures. You know, I'm not gonna put put my wife's business out there, but she does use her phone a lot for recording video and things of that nature. So, you know, to have 512 is essentially, or basically for the fact that we can record as much video as we want without having to worry about offloading the, you know, video onto the computer, especially since we like to record at 4K as this video is being shot in 4K. So anyway, that's my initial impressions unboxing of the S10 Plus. I'll be doing some more follow-up videos. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let me know if you picked up an S10, S10e, or S10 Plus, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.